Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about another new topic, articles. Do you know about articles? Articles divide into two types, indefinite article and definite article. Look at here. Okay, indefinite article a comma and definite article the called as determiners. Okay, so a or an is called indefinite article and the is called definite article. A comma an is commonly used before a singular noun. A used to singular noun beginning with consonant sound. For example, a teacher, a doctor. These are singular nouns. Okay, a university, a unique person. So, according to our pronunciation, university it is not a vowel sound pronounced yeah. Okay. So next one, and use it to before singular noun with vowel sound. So an envelope and American. So A is used before a singular noun which begins with a consonant sound. So consonant sounds means, so for example, consonant except A E I O U called as consonant sound. Okay, consonant sound. So when we have, for example, a balloon, a champion, a drum, a finger, these are we can use for a. Commonly we can use it singular noun. Okay. So next one, an. An is used before singular noun with vowel sound, not the letter. Okay, sound. For example, envelope, an American, an MLA, an uncle, ulcer. So an SBI card, an eraser, island. These are examples for an article. An apple also. Okay. So when we are used to indefinite article conditions, so one second. The indefinite article used before a singular countable noun in the general sentence. Okay. For example, here we can use, okay, when conditions, for example, a decision, a decision we can use. Okay. For example, a and in the sense of the same condition, another one, sense of the same condition. Example, birds of a feather flock together. Ramu and Srinu are of a same size. Okay. Next one, in every tomatoes cost rupees 40 a kilo. A kilo. For example, మనం sense of money గురించి explain చేస్తాం. Next, when a thing or a person is introduced first time, introduced first time, we can use a article, introduce persons. Okay. So for example, how do you give the example? They kill a snake there. This is my friend Rohini. Next one, quantity and profession. She is a doctor, she is an architect. These are we can use for so a article. Next, when we are not using a article before plural countable, okay, and before uncountable nouns, before material nouns, for example, silk, iron, silver, wool, gold, glass, these are the material nouns. So here we cannot use any article. Okay. Next one, before names of meals, breakfast, lunch. So here we cannot use any article. This is the small description about the a comma and. Now we will discuss about the article. The. So it generally specifies a particular noun. Use it before. Okay. So when we are used to noun, have some distinctions. For example, especially we are saying about the how to use. So used before unique, the sun, the moon, the air. So the planets, church of south, directions, superlative degrees, ordinal numbers, names of seas, rivers, holy books, famous books, superlative degrees, the Ramayana, the moon, the sun, the Sitara, so marriage mortal. So a condition where we are used to For example, the camel is the ship of the desert. Okay. Next one, if the is placed before an adjective that is used as a noun that conveys the meaning of plural noun. Next one, common time expressions. The minister is arriving in the morning, in the evening. Okay. So next one, the student who I motivated become a doctor. She was a class, especially. Superlative degrees means the greatest, the beautiful, okay, the best, the most famous, the most industrious, most beautiful. These are we can use for superlative degrees in the article, and before only when used the an adjective. Okay, and before names of seas, rivers, chains of mountains, group of islands, canals, waterfalls. For example, Pacific Ocean, the Himalayas, the Andamans, the Nigeria. These are especially we are talking about the article. Okay. Before country names, proper nouns we can use. Before some books, religious purpose. Okay. Names of seas, rivers, holy books, famous books, and comparison. Okay, no? And proper noun before noun, which name the people of a country collectively, and surnames in plural. For example, the Tatas, the Birlas. So we are used in this the superlative degree. Another one, we do not use any article. When we are not used any article before abstract noun, before abstract noun, we cannot use any article. No article. Okay, we are denoted with the X mark. No article denoted with X. Okay, so look here, when we are not used before proper noun, before proper noun we cannot use it, and before names of meal, names of meal we cannot use it. Next one, parts of the body, names of substances, plurals, we cannot use it. Okay, so how to ask in examination purpose, in competitive exam purpose? John is dash American, but his wife is dash a European. So here, how to we can use? So John is an American. Here we can write the and here. Okay, and but his wife is a European. This is the correct answer. Okay, it is very very useful to when we are used to only in English language grammar part. We have only three articles: a comma and the article. Okay, so it is very useful. Thank you for watching.